Let's get the party started. We got a lot of amazing people, including our co-founder, Peter Rancy, who's going to jump on here. I have the privilege of just sharing this idea with you. It's an idea that's attracted tens of thousands of Americans, and I'm confident there's going to be something here that is going to excite you as well. The name of our company, the name of our movement is TranzactCard. Our tagline is now banking changes forever. It's so much more than that. We're going to create a global force for good that blesses lives. I'll let the cat out of the bag. I'm going to show you two main things here the next 15, 20 minutes. Number one, we're going to show every American household a way they can stretch their money further, even double their buying power. That's a complete no-brainer. And then we'll show you an optional financial opportunity unlike anything any of us have ever seen, which might be appealing to you as well. So let's jump right in. Here's all we're trying to accomplish, ladies and gentlemen. You see that green card there? That works a lot like a bank debit card. That is our Transact card. We want to get that in the hands of lots and lots of Americans. Peter would say, let's go for millions. I say, Peter, you know I'm more ambitious than that. This is such a no-brainer. Let's go for tens of millions. Point is, we want to get that in the hands of lots of households. Why? Because they're going to choose that card over the other cards in their purse and wallets to accumulate what we call Z-Bucks. Z-Bucks work a lot like a coupon. They have a $1 value within the TranzactCard ecosystem. You're going to secure your money with us, with one of our community banking partners, put as little or as much as you want in, and you're going to start swiping away. There's no overdraft fees. There's no APR interest, none of that nonsense. And it works pretty simple. You don't have to be a mathematician to figure out the airline miles algorithm or have a nuclear physics degree to figure that type of stuff out. Ours is just one-to-one. Let's say you go put gas in your car at $70 to do so. You choose to use your Transact card, you can get 70 Z-Bucks. You go get coffee at your favorite coffee shop. You go get your groceries. You pay your utility bills, your gym membership, your auto shipments, your date night, and on and on and on. You put it on your Transact card, you're going to start raking up those Z-Bucks. And Z-Bucks, what I have found is they can be really addictive. Why? Because on November 13th, we're going to unveil version 1.0 of our Z Club. It's our own e-commerce platform. And those Z-Bucks are going to have a real $1 value on our Z Club. So let's say you see shoes, you see electric bikes, you see luxury goods, you see diapers. Did you guys know there's over 100 million Americans right now that cannot pay their bills on time or struggle or have to get creative at the end of every month? I don't care what your political affiliation is. That's just tragic. Let's call it what it is. So we're going to show people how to use Z-Bucks to buy down a lot of the items they want and need. This is name brand stuff that you would hope and expect to find there. And how did you get Z-Bucks? All you did was went out and bought the things you were going to buy anyway. You just racked up the Z-Bucks and were able to spend that money again in the form of those Z-Bucks. In the Midwest, we call that a twofer, 2 for 1, right? And it's usually a good thing. It's a fantastic thing here. We started having flash sales. What's a flash sale? A flash sale is an item that you probably really want or didn't even know you wanted, but you're definitely going to want them because your cash isn't good for them. You can only use Z-Bucks to get them. We've had Ray-Ban sunglasses. We had merchandise, fancy blankets, VR headsets, electric scooters, speakers. There's one of the last ones I got, Bose wireless speakers, 117 Z-Bucks. I paid $8 shipping and handling, and on and on and on. And let's take it a step further. Let's have cruise flash sales where people can use Z-Bucks to get on a cruise ship. You see just a couple of my friends here were able to take advantage of that. Wi-Fi, drink package included. They'll probably be one of the few people on that boat that were able to get on there by using Z-Bucks, not a whole bunch of cash. Speaking of travel, I love travel. I love world schooling my kids. I love showing people how to create high peak memories and experiences with the people they care about. Well, our Z Club travel platform goes live here in the next couple of days as well. And on our Z Club travel platform, you're going to see some of the top resorts, hotels, condos, private homes. The difference is you're going to be able to use Z-Bucks to buy those down 30 up to 65% from what you would pay elsewhere. Guys, I got to tell you, travel has been really, really good to me, not only from world school and my kids. As an entrepreneur, I was able to build a travel club that was well over 1 million members throughout 38 countries. And the value proposition in that was not even close to what you're going to see with our Z Club travel platform, and it costs a fraction of the price. A couple of weeks ago, we said, let's bring in some of the top retailers in America into our ecosystem. So we launched our Easy Power Earn and Save card. It's a virtual gift card, ladies and gentlemen. You see just a few of the name brands here. These are some of the top retailers, like 350, 360 of the top retailers in our country. You can go and buy virtual gift cards. You can use them for yourself. You can gift those away via text, via email. And this is all right within the TranzactCard app, just in time for the holidays. And you get Z-Bucks every time you get them. Get a $100 gift card to Starbucks, you get 100 Z-Bucks. All right, here's what makes it a no-brainer. It's $25 one time for life. That's right. There's no gimmicks. There's no extra zeros hidden in there. It's 25 stinking. Get you all the banking platform benefits I talked about. We're way ahead of schedule. We're internalizing a lot of processes, technologies, migrating to a whole new banking platform. So while you're waiting to get your hands on a card, don't worry. The company's just going to load your account with 500 Z-Bucks each and every week while you're waiting. You can use those Z-Bucks on the flash sales, on the travel club, on the Z Club, everything when it goes live. All right. Just a nice thank you for catching the vision early. And if that's not enough, we're going to double your Z-Bucks on every purchase up until November of 2024 if you join before November 12th at midnight. That's the caveat. If you join after November 12th, you're going to pay $25 one time annually per year. That's it. And then soon we're going to have a referral program where you can tell your friends, your family about TranzactCard, get 500 Z-Bucks as a thank you for every single referral. If that's not enough, good grief, get a TranzactCard. If you don't love it within a few months, come stalk me down. I'll give you your $25 back. How's that? Fair enough?
So I want to thank you for taking a look at this presentation. My name is Billy McNeely, and I am so happy to be able to share this information with you. It only costs $25 for you to get in, to join, and you become a lifetime member. After tomorrow, Saturday the 18th, it's going to be $25 annually. So please get in. I appreciate your support. By doing this, you're going to be supporting me. And another thing, once you have this TranzactCard, no matter where you spend money, your regular money you're spending, for every dollar you spend, you get one Z-Buck. This is a no-brainer. So your bills you pay throughout the month, if you spend $500 to $10,000, $50,000, whatever you spend, you get that back in Z-Bucks. Therefore, when you go online shopping, you get huge discounts. So I would appreciate it. I'm going to send you my link. Just join. It's $25. You have no regrets if you, for some reason, 2-3 months from now, you don't like it, it did not work for you, I will fund you back the $25. But in the meantime, I would love your support, and I want to thank you in advance for signing up. God bless. Have a wonderful day.